Hello and welcome to the Cryptocity trading channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Uh, Sorry for the long break. I was away and it was a very busy routine, following your own trading, basically day-to-day routine, and then making content videos and basically managing the Discord group as well. So that was a hectic activity and it consumes all day. Uh, so we are back again now with the BTC analysis. All right, so we will start the analysis. You guys can confirm if you can hear me fine, and then we will move forward with the analysis. So just confirm if my voice is clear, and let's wait if some other people can join us, and let's see. Okay. Any one of you, if you are hearing, please confirm if my voice is clear. All right, all right, all right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, guys. Thank you. All right. This was basically the last video. If you guys can see that we have made, and it was basically 2 weeks ago. And if we go accurate, it's like 25th of May. All right. And what we have predicted in this video, that's important. So market was at that point 69,169, and we predicted that market is going to take little retracement from here, and after that we are going to hit the zone, that liquidity zone above that has been mentioned in the yellow. So if you guys are following us, so we are following the same chart since I think it's been 5 or 6 months. So our our analysis, that this proves our analysis is going so accurate that we do not have to change a lot of zones and a lot of trend lines and the stuff, the supports and the resistance. So we are showing you the quality stuff basically. So thank you. Voice is clear. That's fine. So we are showing you the quality content. Okay, let's move on to the live chart so we can see what actually happened after that. All right. So this is a live chart. Market was at this place when we made the last video, and after that we were expecting that market will not touch the support zone, but before that it will go and hit this liquidity, and so market actually get into the zone and took support here, and after that it hit the zone that we expected. So that's important. This is really important and huge. So if you have followed this properly, so it was accurately 7.43% move from the Bitcoin during this last few days, and basically it was 2 weeks. So we can say 2 weeks. So what happened? Why is that important? So this is important basically. During this tenure, if you go and check any alt, you will find it's multiple of 7 or 3 times of 7. So basically, so that's actually the alt. That's how the alt behaves with the bullish moves from the bitcoins. All right. Let's say what we are expecting. Let's see what we are expecting next from the Bitcoin. All right. So we are here right now. So we are expecting, let me just zoom in a bit so it will be easier for me. Sorry. Okay. So we are here right now, and we are expecting that Bitcoin will either test this support. This was a 2021 all-time high. Either test support, and also you can see a trend line. So it's perfect, and from here this is the most probable scenario that we are expecting, that Bitcoin will recover from here. All right. Bitcoin will recover from this point. This is the first scenario, and we are expecting the most expected scenario from the Bitcoin. Okay, what's next? So the next thing, Bitcoin will come and break this, and after that, this is the point we are expecting that on this, uh, it will be the last resort from the Bitcoin, and then it will start moving higher from here. So that's important, very very important, that we are not expecting Bitcoin to go any lower from here, from this zone. So keep this in mind. No lower, expecting no low from this zone. So why? uh, we can go to the daily time frame and we will see why it's important, why it has acted as so much important zone. Okay, before going, let's move to the daily time zone. Okay, I'll just bring it into the clear view. Okay, and why we are expecting this to actually not lose too much ground and go lower. We're not expecting this. Why? Because see this one. So since it has crossed this zone, tested this zone, tested again this zone, you see the move, you see the move, you see the move, and we are not expecting, basically, the zone, any zone or any resistance becomes weaker the more it is tested. So right now we are not expecting that this could halt the Bitcoin moves any further, and we are going to see new all-time high very soon. So that's what we are expecting from the Bitcoin right now. It's going to recover from here, or from the first scenario, as I have said, from here, and it is going to test the zone probability from the Bitcoin. This is what we are expecting from the Bitcoin. If you guys have any question, you can also ask me. All right. All right. All right. Sorry, there was a phone call. All right. So where we were. Okay. So that's why. Uh, so we were. I was explaining to you why we are not expecting too much losing the ground, because it's already has done too much to this. All right, all right. So let's see. Okay, sorry. I have a phone call. So so where we were. So actually, we were expecting. Well, I was explaining why we are not expecting this, too much lower move, because it has then already absorbed too much from this zone. Right now, it has become weaker, and seeing all the dominance and all the stuff and all the R's. So this is important. So this is important, and that's what we are expecting from the Bitcoin. All right, so let's move to the dominance. So if you guys see, basically, all right, if you have followed the last video that we have posted, so we were expecting the Bitcoin, sorry, the dominance to downfall till here, and recovery from here. Okay, why it is important to keep an eye on the dominance as well. So we are in the daily chart, and if you see how much ALS have bleed, ALS already had bleeded. So in last 2 or 3 days, basically. So it you will see 20%, 17%, 20% down move. Why? Because all the market is, market capture from the Bitcoin is rising. So that's why. So we predicted this move, and let's see what we're expecting from the Bitcoin now. Okay, this is a perfect, downtrend you can see, and this was a low break in here. That's low, and already we are in the down basically. So that's the first resistance, and other resistance is the zone you can see here. We'll go to the weekly, and then you will see more. And let's go to the weekly so we can properly see this. Okay, so this is a channel that we have basically that we have made so long time ago, and it is respecting perfectly. So if you see here, basically uh, this is a resistance of this basically the channel as well, and we have the other resistance of this downward. And let me clear this. So okay, and so these two resistances, and what we are expecting, even if it goes, and if you see in the daily, this one is also acting as a resistance. So what we are expecting, that it will, even if it is rise, it is not going to break this, and from here it will start its downwards journey. And this is going to be important to keep an eye on this. Even if it rises from here, I have told you that this is the resistance. All right, this is the channel resistance. Okay, and sorry, let's bring it here, and this one. Okay, this resistance and daily, and after that, even if it is rises, we are not expecting to cross this and break the structure. And it even it rise, it will start falling, and it will start its downward trajectory or downward move from this high basically. All right, that's all from our side. uh, Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And that's all from our side. If there is any question, you can ask your questions, and we'll try to respond that. And this is from the Bitcoin that we are expecting, and you can keep an eye. And this is going to be important. If you see, this one, these three bullish candles, if you have followed that, then basically you have secured some good profits. All right, let me take you to, all right, so this is our Discord, guys, as you can see. So this is a report that we have published from the last month. And if you see, we have basically 244.76% profit hits, and 48% stop loss hit basically. And so we have almost made 200% profit in the last month. If you guys have followed us properly, then your definitely portfolio trajectory is going to be very positive. All right, we are giving proper trades. If you see our success, so it's been doing very, very great, all the TPs. And if you see this one, 76.51%, we have posted this signal in our Discord. And this is huge, guys. This is not basically small thing. 76.51%, this is huge, right? And see the beautiful candles, how it actually covered that signal. Okay, so you can join our Discord. That's totally free for now, but from July we are going basically premium, and we are in this basically in this trading industry from last 5 years, and we were basically displaying our skills and analysis and power of our signals to you, and just to make you believe that we what we are doing and what expertise we have. So and we have developed those analytics statistics as well, so you can actually identify in numbers how well it has done. Okay, you can also all the trades we have mentioned here, you can come and you can basically see in those two sections: swing trades, short-term trades, and basically risky trades. And inactive trades are the trades which are still active and going on. All right, that's all from our side. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys. All right, that's all from our side, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Take care, guys.